Hi kids! Welcome to Art with Miss K. Today we're going to be working on a self-portrait. At the beginning of the year we all did portraits and I didn't teach you how to do anything because I told you at the end of the year I was going to teach you how to draw a portrait. And unfortunately we weren't able to do that because of unforeseen circumstances. So we're going to work on portraits today. Here's one that I did last year of myself. I'm a runner, so there's me tired with my feet up in the air. I have a few other portraits, but we're not going to look at them right now. Maybe I'll show them off later. But today we're going to learn how to do a portrait with proper facial proportions. So let's go. All right. So what we're going to need today is paper, pencil, eraser. We're going to start with an oval. You can start using your finger to get a physical memory or just start with an oval. Remember to draw light until you get it right, then go darker. So I'm just going to do my oval. I'm drawing it really lightly. I'm doing a couple different ones until I find the one that I really like. And then I'll erase any lines that I don't like. I'm trying to go really, really fast, but you can draw along with me and pause anytime you see fit. And I will be going fast because, again, I don't want this video to be 20 minutes. I did one earlier and it was 20 minutes. So now I'm going to draw a line in between, right in the middle, because you are symmetrical. That means you are the same on both sides. Your eyes are smack dab in the middle of your head. I know you don't believe that, but it's true. You're going to add two little lines down coming from the oval. That's your neck. You have a thick neck. You are not a cartoon. You need to give your beautiful large brain nice base. All right, then we're going to do a line down and a line down. That's your shoulders. We have head, neck, shoulders. We're going to draw a little line, curved line at the base of the neck to create a shirt because we are not having anybody without clothes. Okay, now we need where the nose is going to be. The nose is halfway between the eyes and the chin. We're going to do that by adding a little line there. And then your mouth is a little bit less than halfway between your nose and your chin. So I'm going to add the mouth there. And mouth is going to be a little bit wider than your nose. We all know that. Okay, so your eyes are one eye length apart. So we're going to have an eye there in the middle. Oh, I'm a cyborg or a cyclops. Yeah, no, this is just a guide. Then you're going to draw one eye and the other eye. Draw them both at the same time. So that way, they're going to be the same. If you draw them one perfectly, then you'll have a real hard time with the next one. Notice how I erased the center part. So you get your smile or your rainbow lines, and then you're going to do a smile line underneath, rainbow line, smile line underneath. All right, so now we have our two eyes. Draw a soft U underneath in the eye, a nice big soft U in the eye. Now we have our two eyes. You're going to draw a circle in the center there, and you're going to color that in because that is your pupil. Now, to make this not look creepy, give it a little bit of a shine. Erase a little bit of that. There you go. You have a little shine in your eye. Your eye is wet. You could also lightly color in from there. Miss Corliss, it still looks creepy. Yes, it does. Also, I kind of blurred it with my finger. You saw that? That's kind of helping even out the color. And then I can go back in and erase. If you're hearing a weird noise, that's my husband making coffee with our Keurig. So I'm adding a little U here, and I'm adding a line above. So now I have my eyes. The U is your tear duct. That is your lash line. You also have eyebrows on top of your head. You need to have those eyebrows. It is another curved line. Let's give them some hair. Your eyebrows are made out of short little hairs, so let's give them that. All right, so now I noticed that my face was kind of shifted one way, so I'm going to tighten up that side. Your ears are from your eye to your nose. So you're going to do a line from your eye to your nose. And that is where your ears go. And it is a backward C and a forward C. There we go. Now we're going to draw our nose. Your nostrils are directly in between your tear ducts. So straight down from there, you're going to have your nose. You're going to do, I'm going to soften this up a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing, but I can still see my guiding lines. You're going to do a parentheses, which means just a curved line on either side. Then you're going to do a tiny rainbow line, and a smile line connecting it, and there you have your nose. I'm going to erase my guiding lines at this point so that I don't continue to look like a robot. All right. Sorry for the cough. All right, so now I'm going to draw a J underneath my nose, and that is the philtrum. So that's that little bump in between your nose. And then I'm going to have a smile. So I am just going to draw a bit of a smile. And then I'm going to draw a line down and a curve and a line. Whoop, that was not good. Hey, not everybody can do things perfectly. These are really, really big lips. So what I'm going to do is make this line go up a little bit further because obviously I gave myself too big of lips. That's okay. You can change what you do. So line down, line up and down, and there's my lip. And then we need the bottom lip, which is a curved line. Now I have bigger lips, but you might not have bigger lips, so you can make them any size you want, or just not give yourself lips at all. All right. Although everybody does have lips. All right, so now I have my basic face shape. I'm making this line darker. Now, if you really want to make it look like yourself, think about what kind of chin you have. Do you have a more sticky out chin like I do? I have kind of a chin, so I'm going to add a little bit more of a U here to give it more of a chin look. Now I have my prominent chin. All right, so I have glasses, so I'm going to add my glasses. My glasses shapes are kind of like a square shape, but if you have glasses, think about the glasses that you have. Are they more round? Are they more oval? Are they more square like mine? So I'm going to do this is my nose piece, and then I'm going to go up and over, and it is around your eye. So think about the shape that you have, and it fills the nose, so it's kind of curvy there. And then more of a rectangle. So up and over and more of a rectangle. So there we go. So there's my glasses shape. It's not exactly the same, and that's okay for right now. I can futz with it later if I want to, and I'm going to do my side pieces of my glasses going down. Now I need to draw my hair. I have curly, wavy hair today. It does not start way up here. I'm not a middle-aged balding man. My hair starts down a little bit lower. Yours does too. Your hairline is lower. So I'm going to start my hairline down low, and it goes across like this because you have hair all the way down to your ears. It doesn't just stop at the top of your head. So I have a part in my hair. So I have it go one way and it's wavy. It's probably not that wavy. There we go. And I'm just doing wavy bumpy line, and I'm doing a wavy line because I have wavy curly hair. And if you have wavy curly hair, you can do that too. So there is my self-portrait. I'm going to add extra details like a curve in the ear to give my ear a little bit of detail. I could add my freckles that I get during the summer. I could add earrings, I could add a necklace, I could add the fact that I'm wearing a tank top. So those are my details that I'm adding. If you have tighter curly hair, what you would do is you would do more of like a tight curly squiggly line for your hair. And if you have the buns, you could do that. All the way around, you do a circle, and then you do the tight squiggles. If you have a nice geometric hairline, you can add that hairline. If you have straight hair, you can just do straight hair. It all depends on what your hair looks like. And this person has crazy hair right now. If you have braids, they are kind of curvy lines, curvy lines, curvy lines going down. There you go. If you have braids in your head, on the top of your head, it's curvy line, curvy line, curvy line, curvy line going back. Curvy, 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 curvy. All tight together, and then color them in. All right, so that's my really, really quick how to draw a portrait. Take your time, try your best, erase if you don't like what you're doing, and I'll see you next time.